So hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to do Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So this is the liquidity taken leg for the monthly level, and we have broken this monthly level, which confirms that we are in bearish trend in Euro USD for the monthly. So now let's check that where did we react from. We actually reacted from this zone, that is the liquidity taken leg. The liquidity taken candle, and this was the zone from where we reacted towards the downtrend. So let's jump into the weekly time frame to confirm it. I'll make the visibility to only weeklies. Okay. So let's get to the weekly time frame to have a precise picture of it. First of all, I'll conclude that everything here is already mitigated. So if the price is moving downwards, most probably we are gonna take this low as the liquidity here. So because it is a monthly level, and most probably the market is gonna rush toward these areas. So this is in my mind, and we have accumulated so much of the candles over here. One more thing is that this candle has taken the liquidity of the previous month. So according to this thing, we might get a slight reaction from this area, and it is also unmitigated. So for the current scenario, our recent target will be this area, and accordingly we will take trade in the small time frame. So let's get into the weekly time frame for the better picture. So this is the weekly time frame, and from where did we react? We reacted from the weekly volume imbalance zone. That is this zone over here. You can clearly see that this was a volume imbalance zone from where the market actually reacted. This was a volume imbalance zone, and the volume imbalance was not filled properly. So the market reached here and took it as resistance, and it fell down. So what are we having right now as our support zone? We are having this unmitigated monthly zone as our support zone, from where the market can most probably retrace back in the month in the daily level. But our major target for the monthly is here. So let's get to the thing that when the market fell down, this was our liquidity taken candles, which were respected by the market. You can clearly see that. So if we retrace back without taking the external liquidity of the monthly, we might retrace back to these levels as a strong zone. Sorry about it. We might retrace back to these levels as the strong zone. But since it's weekly, let's consider it as a long time frame trade, and we have to take it as a daily or intraday trading. So for this, we have concluded that this was the zone. I was concluding it last time that this was the zone from where the market can retrace back, since it took the liquidity of the previous weekly swing. So let's get into the daily chart, and accordingly the market reacted. Since it was a liquidity taken leg, and we retraced back, and just like that we did a flip. Now here we went like this. So yesterday I had concluded that we have taken the liquidity of the previous legs, and now most probably we are going to retrace back and make a flip zone, and then we will fall. So that is what happened, and the market fell after making a flip zone over here, and most probably we are going to continue this this trend till we take our major time liquidity, that is drawn liquidity. So here we were yesterday, and what actually happened. So this leg had taken the liquidity over here, but it failed to break the high. It failed to break the high. So what was the major thing which was considered as the bearish? This was the weak low, and most probably it's going to be broken. So we have already broken the zones, and now as the support zone, we are having this monthly level, unmitigated level, which I had marked in the monthly. It's not marked in the 4-hour time frame. So we will find a unmitigated zone in the higher time frame, and then we will consider for a small move that which area should be considered. So basically, it's also a liquidity taken leg in the weekly levels. So most probably it's the 50% of the wick is gonna be the zone from where the market can actually react. So let's mark it like that. So below 50%, yeah, this gray zone is gonna be our major doll for the smaller time frames. So let's make it to the daily also. And okay, daily will do. So here we are. We made a flip zone over here. Let's move to the 15 minutes for the better picture, since we don't have much in the chart left. So we did not take the high over there, but we did take the high at this zone, which made it a slight strong level for the market to get a reaction. And you can clearly see in the 5 minutes why actually market reacted from there. So the market did react from here, this zone, and then fell down. So what are our strong highs? So for the current scenarios, this is our flip zone from where the market actually retraced back. This is our flip zone. So most probably we have not taken any external liquidity till yet. There is nothing like that, no external liquidity over here. So most probably we need to be guided by our small time frames over here, since the major liquidity is below, and we are looking forward towards the weekly or the monthly level. Let's make it visible for the dailies also and hours, minutes also. So most probably we are gonna get down to this level as a small time frame retracement, and then we will continue towards the lower journey. So for now, today's our strong highs is this, since it's a flip zone, and most probably if not, we are not gonna retrace back till we are gonna touch this level. So most probably we are gonna retrace back to it till the 50 level of it, 50% of this level, and then we are again gonna fall, and then we will retrace back to this upside if we are going to take the liquidity. So our main thing is that it can retrace back to 50%, and then it will fall. If most possibly we are gonna continue down. Otherwise, in the most probable case, we are expecting a pull back upside. Since it's a monthly unmitigated level, we can retrace back to take these liquidities over here, and then we will fall back, taking the major time liquidity over the major monthly liquidity, and we will retrace back into this phase. So this is my today's analysis. Let's see how the market reacts, and do let me know if there are some suggestions for the improvement, and if there is some confusion about my trade. Thank you for watching. Peace.